Can you hear me? Yeah. Okay. It's not that interesting. It shouldn't be such a large cloud today here, but if you're here, okay, you will have to bear with me for the next approximately 30 minutes. So, hi guys. I'm Claudiu Câmpean. I'm the COO of Calendis, which is a booking platform for non-Horeca businesses. I Let me begin by saying that I am truly honored to be able to speak to you today, and I'm a bit nervous, I have to admit that. It's my first presentation in English. I'm pretty used with debating and public speaking, but never in English, so it's my first, so bear with me. What? Thanks. My presentation is named A Tale of a Perl Startup. So once upon a time, in a land of, as you know, vampires and stuff, a startup named Calendis was born. This is our logo, it's beautiful. We have also the designer here, so you can give him some recognition. But first, a disclaimer. I'm non-technical, so please do not expect much information on that area. My expertise before entering the IT industry, which is less than a year, is in telecom, hospitality, and also in banking. Second disclaimer, there will be no fairies and dragons in my presentation. Sorry that maybe the title had misled you, but if you're expecting dragons and fairies, there will be no such thing. Also, Calendis, our product, is a work in progress, both technically and commercially. So we are in the beginning of our journey. We are not already a unicorn. We are going to be, of course, but we are still on that road. Also, I really don't have any recipes, but my hope is that you will take away some recommendations, and someday those recommendations may be helpful to you. Maybe you will better understand the work of the business development people in your team, in your teams. So, after successfully, I hope, lowered your expectations regarding my presentation, I can safely begin. So, who are we? Calendis, as I said before, is a booking and client management cloud-based platform. To speak in the TechCrunch lingo, we are the booking.com of non-Horeca businesses like beauty salons, medical and dental clinics, lawyers, vet clinics, fitness gyms, you name it. Basically, any type of business that uses appointments. I would like to show you, to make a short presentation, if it's technically possible, I don't know. Să intru pe browser. Da. Oh, I should stop. I'm sorry? Non-Horeca. Ah, non-Horeca, I'm sorry, I didn't understood. Horeca means hotels and restaurants and catering. This is the short for the long description of Horeca. So everything that is non-Horeca and uses appointments is a potential client of ours. I'm sorry, I thought that this is a commonplace, the term. So it's okay, history is okay, thanks. Okay, I will give you a short presentation. Unfortunately, our product is only in Romanian, but I will give you a very short presentation so you better understand how what we do. So this is a test account for a business, a beauty salon. And here we have a lot of options. This is the calendar, the client base, the promotion, the reports, and also the settings. And this is how you do an appointment. You select the service, select the employees, select the service to be done, the duration of the service, the employee, the date and the hour. Of course, there is a pre-fill option to put also the client on that appointment, and you check to receive a reminder for that client. So it takes around 10 seconds to make an appointment. Also, the client database is very useful for our clients, because here you have a lot of information regarding your client with notes and the list of all the appointments. Also, you can search through your database using specific criteria, like who is the client of a certain employee, what kind of service uses a certain client, and everything else. We have a beautiful module of promotion, so you can select your clients based on some criterias, and then easily in some 5 steps you can send a promotional campaign through mail. We are very proud of our report area. This is our first report. We are still working on other reports. Here you can see which employees, basically the income per employee. It's very easy to view, and also we have a export option. This is something that our clients required. And at the end of the month, you as a manager, you can see what kind of services your employees perform, and some of them are using this as a form of payment, of settling the payment with the employee. Also, we have the settings option when you can allow different employees to do different things, to create appointments, to modify, to visualize calendar of other employees and everything else. And also the reminders that can be sent 2 hours prior the appointment, 1 day before when creating the appointment, and of course when deleting the appointment. So this is how basically it looks right now. Let me try to... Yeah, I've done it, yes. So, as I said, I'm not technical, but since most of you are, I asked my colleague, maybe you know him, Mihai, say hi Mihai, for a screenshot of a beautiful line of Perl code. I thought that this should be somehow interesting for you. It's beautiful, yeah? I really don't understand the thing. I don't know if it's beautiful for you too. I asked to Mihai to send me the most pornographic line of code from our product. I don't know if it does something or it's just beautiful. I really don't know. I don't have a thermal comparison. So, a few technical details. We have 3 applications, which is client, business, and mobile. We use in backend Catalyst, in frontend Backbone and React. We use deployment with Docker, with Debian, MySQL, Nginx, and Redis, and external services for notifications and marketing campaigns. Of course, we are agile. Everybody's agile in these days. We have a Scrum Master, BA, QA, product, marketing, sales, and support people. So this is the presentation of our product. What do we want? We want to be the place where customers and specialists meet, and we want to make bookings available for any type of service easier, anytime, from anywhere. We are very proud that we provide small and medium businesses with modern tools that help them become more efficient, grow their core business, and take better care of their most important asset, which is the client base. What have been doing so far? This is maybe the most relevant part of of my presentation. About a year ago, when I joined the team, we thought we had a sales-ready product. We were wrong. My job was to get clients. We only had a few that used our platform. So I visited a few businesses, and I understood that a lot of our assumptions regarding how our potential clients handle their business flows were practically pretty wrong. So our strategic decision was to test as many traction channels possible, to engage in a fierce customer discovery, and to create customer success procedures. That was our strategic decision. So also, actually, one of the members of the Perl community, which is right here, there is a good chance you know him because he's very active and very outgoing. Tudor, say hi, Tudor. Recommended me a very useful book, Traction by Gabriel Weinberg, which I also recommended to you. And I will give you a few examples of what we did. We tested trade fairs and exhibitions. Our first attempt to get clients was by attending the annual regional conference of dentists. Sounded like a great idea, because dentists gathering to learn about new trends in their industry is the place to be for us. Well, it wasn't. It turned out that it was a pretty mandatory conference with not that much new presentations, and the dentists weren't really interested in attending the conference. They just checked in and pretty much took off. The result? No clients. We did something that is called unconventional PR. We thought, as our product is an innovative one, to innovate also in how we market ourselves. So we selected 1,000 of prime clients from all over the country, and we decided to send them through classic mail, a ridiculous small paper agenda like this one, which fits nicely in a small envelope. Telling them that that's the only paper agenda that they will ever need, since Calendis is now available to them. It made an excellent team building exercise, since a lot of manual work and most of the team got involved in sticking and packing envelopes and everything. We had a lot of hopes regarding the conversion rate. The result? No client. Facebook ads. Since Calendis is a digital product, the obvious choice was to use online marketing tools, and the go-to platform for B2C or B2B marketing is, of course, Facebook. We use a lot of the latest available tools to do a lot of A/B testing. We had beautiful design. Where is Otto? He's not here. Otto. Beautiful, beautiful design. And we have enough money to reach carefully selected target audience. We prepared the campaign for at least 1 month, and we ran it for a month. The result? A lot of leads, no clients. Email marketing. Somehow, we stumbled upon the site of the Romanian Association of Psychologists, which had, to our big surprise, listed all the Romanian psychologists with all of their contact data. Great, it's like a gold mine. The obvious choice was to carefully and beautifully, again, design an email and send it to the entire list of over 17,000 specialists. It was, again, really beautiful. The result, no client. Partnerships. By now, we began to think that direct sales is the only channel with a good conversion rate. So, but that's expensive. And we strive to test channels, all the channels, as cheaply as possible, since we are a bootstrap startup. So we started to have meetings with industries that have the same clients as the ones we targeted. Telecom major players, beauty supply chains, vet supply chains, all sorts of distribution businesses. We got a lot of compliments regarding our beautiful product and our realistic business model. The result? No deal. Direct sales. By now, it was very clear that we have to test the most expensive channel, direct sales. So since we are bootstrapping, I did it myself. And in the middle of a very harsh winter, I started knocking on the doors of potential clients. It was amazing. I learned a lot of things regarding our clients' needs, regarding the internal procedures. I learned that they are very different, even we are talking about the same business, which is the same, has the same age, has the same number of clients, everything, they do it differently, so which is, as you can see, can be a bit challenging in order to offer to them the same product. I learned also why anything we tried before never worked, and started refactoring our product to better respond to their needs. We are still doing that, and the challenge is huge, since we have to handle change requests coming from different industry clients and still maintain a platform that is useful to a doctor, for example, as it is to a receptionist working in a beauty salon. After testing, we also saw, or in the same time, actually, we did a lot of customer discovery. One of the keys to our success is our ability to understand our clients. We did outrageous things for clients that pay us, I don't know, a €100 monthly bill. Usually you do a lot of outrageous things for more valuable clients. We even took our computer monitors to them, since their IT equipment was so outdated. We decrypted user databases from very old software that some of them used in order to import the database in Calendis. We also had one of our support specialists, Alexandra, say hi, that worked for a few days in a reception of a beauty salon in order to better understand our clients, to better understand their needs. Everything we did proved to be extremely useful in further developing the product, in delivering the features that could count for each of our clients. Customer success, that's a new thing, I think, and we are still learning how to do that, but we have a clear strategy, and we also tested a lot of variables in that area. Customer development, we are using this methodology to enter a new market segment, or to make a sanity check with the addition of substantial new functionalities. This way we know who our ideal customers are and their desired outcome before we do all that hard work, rather than do it the other way around. Customer success starts with gaining, landing, securing, and bringing in the right customers, and starts with customer development. Customer landing. If you don't attract, seek out, and secure the right customers, not only we will have a harder time satisfying their needs, but they will also be directly affected in profit loss, with frustration with our application, and so on. If they are not good, if they are not a good fit with our product, service, or support infrastructure, or even our company culture, they are very unlikely to have a great customer experience, and are not likely to be successful in usage, in the usage of our application. Sale process engagement, whether during a self-service free trial period, or a higher touch sales process involving demos, and a process that optimizes the path to success for our customers, is critical. We have to know what a successful trial or demo means to our prospective customers, and to work very diligently to get them to that point. The sales team have one demo account for all our different categories, so it's more easy for our potential clients to really understand all the features and the potential benefits if they see during the demo something that is familiar to their own particular business. This is a list of our traction channels and our objectives. And our results so far. We actually are looking very closely right now for two KPIs. One is the number of appointments created in Calendis, which increased nicely in the first semester, and we plan to have at least 10 times more appointments per month year on year, from around 1,200 to 12,000 by the end of the year. Also, the other KPI that we are looking very closely is the number of customers in the client databases of our clients. That is hugely important for us, since we are about to launch the online booking platform. So that means that their customers will become also our customers. So strategically speaking, it's very important for us and for our business plan. We are pretty confident that with a lot of hard work and dedication, maybe a bit of luck, we will get closer and closer in reaching our team objectives. As Italians say it, per chiudere in bellezza. You don't speak Italian if you don't use your hands, which means is roughly translated as to end in a good note. Here is another beautiful line of Perl code. Thank you, Mihai, again. And pretty much that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed bits of my presentation, the entire presentation. Okay. And if you have any question, please free to ask me or my skillful colleagues, which are packed in this room. This is why there are a lot of people into this presentation, because they came to support me. It's not that interesting, as you already saw it. Thank you, please. Why our original approach? Yes, we tested a lot of channels through which we could get clients. All that channels had no good conversion rate. So if you're speaking about the customer acquisition price, it was too high for enable to be a business decision, right business decision. It was too expensive. So if you're using 10,000 euros to get two clients with 100 euro per month bill, it's not quite wise. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, we changed because we finally came to the conclusion that the only channel that works, and also this is the channel that by using this channel we also differentiate very much from our competition, which is quite fierce. We have over 50 domestic competitors, but the only thing that differentiate really from us to them is the use of the direct sales channel as the only channel that really works in order to get clients. So this is the, I don't know, the dilemma. You are using something expensive, which is direct sales, or you're trying to use Facebook ads or trades and fairs and everything else, which get you no clients. You use something which is expensive to get clients with a nice conversion rate. So this is the process. Okay, you have a product. In order for it to be a business, you have to have clients and revenue. That's the pretty basic stuff. and you have to choose between which is the best conversion rate channel and the best customer acquisition price. So this is why we use direct sales, and all that process lead us to this conclusion. Please. No, actually we tried another conference in the beauty industry, and it was a much more pleasant experience because we had a lot of beautiful people, beautiful hairs and nails. But the actual result, it was something similar to that. I don't think YAPC is like that. Disclaimer. but no, the dentist one, it was mandatory. The dentist have to participate in a lot of conferences in order to get points to renew their license and everything, and it was something like that. So it wasn't successful. Well, of course, we did a lot of good things because we met some new people that in time helped us to develop our product. But the real result, which is clients, how many clients? None. Please. Yeah, I hope so. Yeah. Of course. A bug? No, that's a feature. It's something for the non-technical guy to, I don't know, use in a presentation. Perl? I don't know. I'm not technical. Maybe Mihai could answer to your question. Why did we choose Perl? Maybe Mircea? And also Booking.com, our dream is built in Perl. Outside, we have plans to go in the greater area in the southeastern Europe, and we are already preparing everything for doing that, but we still have to prove a very successful story in Romanian market. It's not wise for us to diversify right now, to go in other directions and lose focus. So we are going because we already make some market analysis, and there is no such product like ours. Our main feature and main differentiator is the marketplace feature of our product, because think about it, you can choose by accessing Calendis the dentist, the beauty salons, the doctors from one specific area, from one specific town. All those clients which are hopefully making appointments online, will become our customers by enrolling, by creating an account. And the big value for us is the fact that we can move those clients from a doctor to a beauty salon, and from a vet to a gym, and everything else. And we can add a lot of value for our clients. Right now we are just offering a business tool to improve their procedures, their flows, to help them better take care of their clients. But in the end we will be offering them a great sales tool. And there is no such product in the Romanian market and in the area. That there are marketplaces, but they are very specific. Only for doctors, only for beauty salons, only for, and they don't have that value that we add by having all that customer base. Yes, we have a subscription-based model. There is a fixed price of €8 per month per employee, which has a calendar in our business platform, and this is our revenue model. We have also a business plan, is around 80 pages. I didn't bring it, but we started, I think, almost 2 years ago with developing the product. I started with Calendis almost 1 year ago, and this is the time when I think we really started to do business development. In the meantime, I think we developed a product which we thought was sales ready, but it wasn't really. And we are still working in making our product to be able to cover 100% of the flows, the internal flows of our businesses. And the challenge is also because they have different requirements. The needs of a medical clinic is one need, is specific need, and the beauty salon is different. So we still have to keep our platform to be able to cover all that specific needs. We are bootstrapping, we are thinking about funding, but we are bootstrapping right now. We actually, right now, we implemented a sales team in Bucharest, which is the capital of Romania, with I don't know, more than 30% of the businesses all over the country, and we are starting to get clients also on that market.